Joseph could no longer control himself before all his attendants. He cried out, "Have everyone withdraw from me." There was no one else about when Joseph made himself known to his brothers. His sobs were so loud, the Egyptians could hear. The news reached Pharaoh's palace. Joseph said to his brothers, "I am Joseph. Is my father still well?" His brothers could not answer him, so dumbfounded were they. Joseph said to his brothers, "Come forward to me." When they came forward, he said, "I am your brother Joseph, he whom you sold into Egypt. Do not be distressed. Do not reproach yourselves. It was to save life that God sent me ahead of you. It is now 2 years of famine in the land. There are still 5 years to come with no yield from tilling. God has sent me ahead of you to ensure your survival, to save your lives in an extraordinary deliverance. It was not you who sent me here, but God, He has made me a father to Pharaoh, lord of all his household, ruler over the whole land of Egypt. Now hurry back to my father. Say to him, 'Thus says your son Joseph, God has made me Lord of all Egypt. Come down to me without delay. You will dwell in the region of Goshen. You will be near me, you and your children, your grandchildren, your flocks and herds, and all that is yours. There I will provide for you. There are yet 5 years of famine to come, that you and your household may not suffer want. You can see for yourselves and my brother Benjamin that it is I who am speaking to you. Tell my father everything about my high station and all that you have seen. Bring my father here quickly." He fell upon Benjamin's neck and wept. Benjamin wept upon his neck. He kissed all his brothers and wept upon them. After that, his brothers talked with him. The news reached Pharaoh's palace. Joseph's brothers have come. Pharaoh and his servants were pleased. Pharaoh said to Joseph, "Say to your brothers, load your animals. Go to the land of Canaan. Take your father and your households. Come to me. I will give you the best of the land of Egypt. You shall eat the fat of the land. Take wagons from Egypt for your children and your wives. Bring your father and come. Do not worry about your belongings. The best of the land of Egypt will be yours." The sons of Israel did so. Joseph gave them wagons, as Pharaoh commanded. He provided food for the journey. He gave each of them new garments. To Benjamin, 300 pieces of silver and 5 sets of garments. To his father, he sent 10 donkeys carrying the best goods of Egypt. 10 female donkeys carrying grain, bread, and provisions. He sent his brothers away as they left. He said, "Do not quarrel on the journey." They went up from Egypt to the land of Canaan. To their father Jacob, they told him, "Joseph is still alive. He is ruler over all the land of Egypt." Jacob's heart was stunned. He did not believe them. They told him all the words Joseph had spoken. When he saw the wagons Joseph had sent, the spirit of Jacob, their father, revived. Israel Joseph is still alive. I will go and see him.